resource is the most important resource of any country. To a certain extent, human population can be treated as a resource of a country. But after that, when population growth goes beyond its limits, it leads to certain problems. Inadequate fresh water for drinking as well as sewage treatment and effluent discharge. Depletion of natural resources, increased level of air pollution, water pollution and soil contamination, deforestation and loss of ecosystem, changes in atmospheric composition resulting to global warming, loss of arable land and increase in desertification, increased chances of epidemics and pandemics, saturation, malnutrition and poor diet with ill health, increase in rates of crime and unsocial activities, conflict over resources leading to increased levels of warfare. What do you mean by demographic transition model? Demographic transition refers to the transition from high birth and high death rates to low birth and low death rates as a country develops from a pre-industrial, rural, agrarian, illiterate society to an industrialized, literate society. This theory is based on an interpretation of demographic history developed in 1929 by the American demographic Warren Thompson, 1887 to 1973. These transitional changes occur in stages which are collectively known as the demographic cycle. The demographic transition takes place in 3 stages. In the first stage, it is the pre-industrial society, death rates and birth rates are high and roughly in balance. Population growth is also slow and most of the people are engaged in agriculture. Life expectancy is also low and most of the people are illiterate. The second stage of the demographic transition mostly occur in developing country. The death rates drop rapidly due to improvements in food supply, better sanitation and improved medical facilities. Fertility rate remains high in the beginning due to lack of education, but it declines with time. Moderate birth rate and low death rate adds to the net increase in population. The third stage of population mostly seen in developed regions where the fertility and mortality rates are low. The population remains stable or grows in a slow rate. This is because of improved condition of literacy rates, highly urbanized society, knowledge of technology and deliberate control of the family size. Present-day countries lie in different demographic transition models. Our country, India, lies in the second stage of the demographic transition model. What measures should be taken for the control of population growth? Family planning is the foremost point of controlling population, which can be achieved through propaganda against large family size through different channels of mass communication, free availability of contraceptives, tax incentives, improving women health. Thomas Matthews, a population geographer, in his theory 1793 stated that the number of people would increase faster than the food supply. He proposed 2 ways of controlling population: positive checks and preventive checks. Positive checks included war, famine, disease, etc., and preventive checks included marriage at an older age, using contraceptives and good family planning. However, it is for our sustainability of resources, the world will have to control the rapid increase of population.